Looking for an off-road hoverboard that can handle rough terrains and give you the thrill you crave? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, LIAGLE Self-Balancing Scooter. The LIAGLE hoverboard caught my eye with its sleek white design and promise of fun for both kids and adults. Priced affordably, it has already been a hit with over 4,000 units sold in just the past month. If you want a reliable, safe ride that offers a good balance of features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features 6.5-inch wheels, which are perfect for smooth rides on pavement and even light gravel. The high-intensity LED headlights ensure you can cruise safely at night, addressing that common worry about visibility. Plus, the built-in wireless speaker allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes while riding because let's face it, who doesn't want to ride to their own soundtrack? It's also designed to be easy to learn, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. With a solid rating of 0 stars from initial reviews, you can expect a positive user experience as it gains traction. Now, some people complained about the battery life not lasting as long as they hoped. Here's the thing though, for casual rides, it performs just fine, and the rechargeable feature makes it easy to power up again for another adventure. If you're planning long, continuous rides, then yes, you may consider another option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, safe way to ride around the neighborhood. Skip this one if you plan to tackle rougher terrains for extended periods. For its price point, you're getting good value considering the features. Now, if LIAGLE's battery life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, CBD Scooter with Seat Attachment. Next up is the CBD Scooter with Seat Attachment, designed with comfort and versatility in mind. While it's priced similarly to the LIAGLE, it stands out with a unique cart feature, making it a fun option for all ages with over 2,000 units sold recently. If you want a more stable ride, especially for kids, this is definitely worth a look. What's great about this scooter is that it combines a self-balancing hoverboard with a seat, allowing for a riding experience that feels safe and secure. It supports a maximum weight of 200 pounds and can reach speeds up to 7.5 mph, offering a solid range of about 8.5 miles on a single charge. The durable aluminum frame and rubber tires make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, so you can enjoy smooth rides on various surfaces. Plus, the Bluetooth speakers and LED lights are a fun touch, lighting up your ride and adding to the experience. Now, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky. I'll be real with you, it does take some time to set up, but once you're past that, the fun truly begins and it's well worth the effort. This is perfect for families with kids who want a safe way to enjoy riding together. Skip this one if you're just looking for a traditional hoverboard experience without the added seat. Given the extra features, I think it's a solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an all-terrain experience. Product number 3, CBD All-Terrain Hoverboard. The CBD All-Terrain Hoverboard is your go-to if you want something that can tackle all kinds of surfaces. Its rugged design sets it apart, and it's been quickly gaining popularity with over 900 units sold recently. If you're hunting for a hoverboard that can handle mud, grass, and even light snow, this one deserves a serious look. It's equipped with 6.5-inch all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip and traction. Plus, it supports riders up to 220 pounds and offers a range of about 8.5 miles, making it reliable for longer rides. The smart Bluetooth speakers enhance the ride with your favorite tunes, and you get bright LED lights for better visibility, especially when riding in low-light conditions. Now, some customers noted that the weight can be a concern when carrying it around. Here's the thing, while it is a bit heavier than other options, the performance you get on different terrains makes it worth it if you're serious about off-road riding. This is perfect for adventurers looking for a durable hoverboard that can handle a variety of terrains. Skip this if you're after a lightweight option for quick trips. It's priced well for what you're getting. Now, if you're looking for something that adds a bit more excitement to the ride, let's check out this next product. Product number 4, Hoverboard Attachment by Noctiview. Next is the hoverboard attachment by NoctiView, a unique product that transforms your hoverboard into a go-kart. Priced at $103.19, this accessory lets you enjoy a different riding experience entirely. If you're looking to switch things up, this is a fun option to consider. It has adjustable straps for secure attachment, so you don't need to worry about your hoverboard slipping off. Plus, it accommodates hoverboards ranging from 6 to 10 inches, making it versatile. With the ability to perform 360-degree spins and drift, it brings a new level of excitement to your regular hoverboarding experience. Now, some users found the installation process a bit cumbersome. I get that it can take some time to get it right, but once it's set up, the fun factor is through the roof. This is perfect for families looking to add a fun twist to their hoverboarding experience. Skip this if you're after a traditional hoverboard experience without the need for an attachment. For the price, it's a worthwhile investment for some extra fun. Alright, that was an innovative option. But if you want something that's more established in the all-terrain arena, let's take a look at our final product. Product number 5, Amaxusa All-Terrain Hoverboard. Finally, we have the Amaxusa All-Terrain Hoverboard, which stands as a solid contender for those serious about off-road adventures. It's been getting a lot of attention recently, with 600+ units sold, and for good reason. If you want something that can really handle the rugged outdoors, this one is definitely worth considering. The self-balancing technology keeps you steady, making it beginner-friendly. With a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds and a long-lasting battery that supports extended rides, it ensures you won't be left stranded after just a short jaunt. Plus, the built-in Bluetooth speaker and bright LEDs add to the nighttime riding experience, ensuring safety and fun. Now, some users have pointed out that it can take some time to charge fully. Here's the thing, while you may spend a little longer waiting for it to juice up, the performance you get on the trails makes it totally worth the wait. This is perfect for serious riders looking to explore different terrains. Skip this if you're limited to smooth, urban environments where you might not need the all-terrain features. Given its capabilities, I think it's a great value for the price. To wrap it all up, let's compare these 5 options quickly. So to wrap things up, we had the LIEAGLE hoverboard for a safe, fun first ride, the CBD scooter with seat attachment for family-friendly adventures, the CBD all-terrain hoverboard for those who want to tackle diverse surfaces, the NoctiView hoverboard attachment for a fun twist, and finally the Amaxusa all-terrain hoverboard for serious off-road enthusiasts. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Amaxusa because it really shines in rugged conditions and keeps you cruising without worries. For those on a tighter budget though, I'd recommend skipping the NoctiView as it can be a bit tricky to set up. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.